Pres, kung meron kang agarwood tree, ano ipapangalan mo?
Ano, Gargar.
Gargar. Ako, Tony.
How do we handle mga upgrades?
Usually, ang ginagawa po namin kapag under retainer at within the module lang, kasama na po siya sa retainer.
Okay.
Pero kung mag-add tayo ng gawa,
Kung mag-add ng feature, for example.
major feature na wala outside of the current scope, mag-add lang po tayo. Ang bill namin is per module.
Per module. Kasi ako, as a, kunyari, if I was a tree owner, parang gusto ko na makita yung status. Buhay pa ha. Diba? Kasi you're looking at a window of 3, 4, 5, 6 years before any possible harvest happens, right? So, building up to that, you'd want na give them an access to a portal where they can monitor their tree.
Yeah.
So, yun ang inaayos namin. Kasi ang concern lang naman is, as we build this, it has to be with that in mind. Na yun, patungo tayo doon. Kasi we want our offering to be different from the others that are offering the same business model. So, parang yung sa atin, gusto natin na high-tech naman, technology, to the app and all that. It's again, it's a business wherein people will be waiting 3, 4, 5 years. We have to be very strict not tell them that there's no guarantee. But if they do the research, they'll know that something's gonna come up. But we can't say it. So the moment you say that, then it becomes an investment. That's why the business model is, we manage plantations, we can manage your tree, period. Say 3, 4, 5 years. It's harvestable na. Bring in other people to negotiate. Kasi you own the tree. It's just on our plantation. Sabihin natin, ang challenge na lang is, when people sell, kasi may affiliate commission tayo na 1,000. That affiliate commission kasi, some people will say whatever to be able to sell it lang, right? Para mo ko yung 1,000.
Tama.
So on our end, we have to be very strict na eto lang. Now, some naman will buy it at 10,000, will resell it kasi alam nila baka may future na halaga. Before any transfer of tree ownership takes place, the new owner has to sign the agreement with us na eto lang ang napag-usapan. Kung ano yung presyo, bahala kayo. Pero ito lang yung scope namin.
So ibig sabihin, sir, when I buy a tree for 10,000, may TNC na kagad. May terms and conditions na kagad.
Yes.
And pwede nating ilagay yon sa
Sa app mismo.
Yes.
Yung signed.
Yes.
Oo.
And then this one in Quezon, 3 hectares. And then we'll open up another one in Ilocos Norte. Then another one in Gensan. So, onti-onti tayo.
For a total of how many hectares?
Where we're targeting 10 for 2026. Kasi ang advice sa amin, any more than that, mahirap din i-manage.
May payment gateway po to eh.
Yes.
Like they saw the app online
Yes,
or
yes.
word of mouth by a friend, then download.
Yes. So may affiliate
it
codes.
looks
May
good.
affiliate codes. So for example, if you purchase the tree, you get an affiliate code. You share it with your friend, and then they buy one, then you get the 1,000. So the payment gateway is used for the disbursement.
On the tech side naman, sir, we can back you up. As long as ma-imagine nyo. And we can use our experience and expertise to...
Medyo malikot yung imagination na. I-finalize natin yung sa PDCs, which company ko gamitin.
Any naman po, sir?
Oo.
Kahit po personal check, okay na.
Scan ko lang. Para mapakita kay...
Ito, sir, sa inyo na eh.
Ito, sige.
Ito, sir.
Sa firma mo na ito.
Apo.
Okay. Pero yung office yun.
Eaton Centuries. Doon po kasi sa usapan namin ni Mag... Sabi ko sa kanya, just give me one engagement.
Yeah.
Then from there, sabi ko, pag-usapan na lang natin sa Monday, Tuesday. Kung ano next. Pero ayun, parang, ano po bang final natin dito, sir? Meron kaming certain cost, and then
Yes.
we do...
Then we can do a profit share
Cost
from
plus
there.
profit share.
Para ano.
Anong percent natin sa profit share?
Well, depends kung sino yung kung kayo ba yung lalabas na mag-bid or paano?
Kayo, sir.
Kayo.
Kami. Ayun. So,
EJV na lang kami sa
EJV. Kasi hindi namin alam yung time and motion. How long will it take one person to take photos of 5,700 trees? Ilang araw kaya yon or...
Ang gusto niyo, sir, yung kagaya na
Diba?
ginagawa sa may 3D, lalakad lang siya.
Kina-capture na lang. So hindi siya
Pero may kailangan silang gamit doon.
Oo, shit. 3D na camera ko.
So hindi niya kailangan mag-input.
Hindi na.
Maglalakad lang siya and then the system can automatically capture.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. Tama. Thank you.
So, ayun guys, dandil tayo sa isang agriculture-based app. So, may kinalaman to sa pagtatanim ng agarwood. We are hoping for the success of this venture dahil isa na namang industriya ang napasok natin.
Tagal ko na nakikita yung agarwood opportunity. Na ano daw siya, very very big yung opportunity right now, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Kasi syempre matataba yung mga lupain natin dito di ba? And never thought that today is the day where we get involved with the agarwood business. Siguro as it goes by, of course we're gonna tour you dun sa business, on the plantation, ganyan. Pag okay na, di ba? We're gonna go there and show you, take you with us on the journey, on immersing in this industry. Press, kung meron kang agarwood tree, ano ipapangalan mo?
Gargar.
Gargar. Ako, Tony. So, kayo guys, kung may agarwood tree kayo, anong papangalan nyo?